How to register or create an account on Shein application. Hey guys, and let's get started. Shein is an online fast fashion retailer with an app and a website. It is most popular for selling clothes as well as homewares, beauty products, and increasing range of miscellaneous items. So first of all, make sure you have downloaded the latest version of Shein from the Play Store or App Store. Now just tap open it. To register, first of all, you have to see or type on the me or profile icon which is on the top or bottom right. Then after click on the sign in or register button. Now tap on this link called as register, sign in with another account. You can either provide your email address, tap on continue, provide your password and you should be good to go, or easy way out would be continue with Google or Facebook. Just on one tap, you have to select your account and you'll be logged in as well. This is how you can easily register to the Shein app. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.